So today we start with the next chapter, that is formatting with the MS Word. Just as a book or a newspaper has a mix of text, pictures or tables, even a document in MS Word can have information presented in different forms. Different forms in the sense, ಈಗ ಒಂದು first capital letter or small letter, okay, different types of the text is entered. So first point we will see, that is nothing but entering a text. Entering a text in the sense, ಈಗ ನೀವು ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಯಾವ ಥರ MS Word ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಯಾವ ಥರ ಬರಿಬೇಕು ನಾವು. Okay, first when you open the MS Word, okay, you know how to open the MS Word document. You have to first go to start menu, then all programs, then Microsoft Office, then the Word file, Microsoft Word file. Okay, after this you can see here the screen document. Document 1, document 2 is the name of the MS Word document. Then this is the cursor where you can start the typing. This is what you can start the typing from here. Okay, this is what the MS Word is open now. Then after that MS Word will blank space, then come you can write your save as a your document also. Okay, then you can how to save the file. You know how to save the file. You have to go to this simply you can go here and save, give a name here and click here save. That is you can save the document file. Then after that how to enter means, this is what the enter key, whatever the you type start typing, the text are going to enter. Okay, whatever text you are typing, this is started the typing. Then after that this next picture is there, word wrap picture they are given about. The word wrap in the sense, if the this line is completed, that then cursor will move to next line. That is nothing but the word wrap function. It is automatically inbuilt in the MS Word document. Okay, then you have to how to type and how to delete, you know, right? Backspace, you have to click a backspace to remove, and you have to press the delete means the opposite one, previous one will delete. This is how the backspace and delete button will work. And after that the next point is formatting a document in MS Word. How to format the document? Okay, the next point, that is formatting a document in MS Word means ಈ ಥರ ನೀವು size change ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, text size change ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, then change the font, then color and font style. Okay, so you can change the font style, you can change the paragraph, how to the paragraph should be, and how where it have to start and where it have to end, like that. Then by how to select, you know, you have to press all control plus A means all text will be copied, selected. You can see here the text is there. If you can press control plus A, okay, control plus A, the all text is copied, selected. Okay, then after this the first point in formatting a document in MS Word, the first point is we have to change the font. Okay, font for the letter you just change the font of the text. To change the font from font size and color in the MS Word, you have to go to, okay, you have to select first, you have to select the text which the color you have to do, and you have to go to the next that is font. Okay, this is font is there. Okay, font color is there, you can see here. Font style you can change any font style you can change. Then you can make bold, italic. Okay, then underline it. Okay, you can remove also afterwards. And then color, you can change the color. Okay, see here the red color is applied, so you can make the capital letters and small letters. Okay, this is uppercase, then this is lowercase. Okay, or you can this is what the maximizing the size. Okay, and this is minimizing the size, and here this is uppercase, lowercase, you can change. Okay, the all letters selected will be commit as a uppercase, lowercase, or you can make the toggle here, toggle take case means a toggle case means whichever that first letter is small and after is capitalization each. Okay, the first line will be capitalized. Like this you can change the font style. Then color also you change. Then after that you can see here the format, the table that given. grow font is shown here, right? This is the capital A, in the sense they grow the font, and small a means that will reduce the font. Okay, grow the font, and this is reduce the font. And you can make it as a control plus this one closing brace also you can use, that smalling. And the open brace is for maximizing. This is for making the font bigger one. Okay, this is what the growing the font. Then shrink means small, decrease the font size. This is the change case. Then after that, change case means uppercase and lowercase. Next to clearing the font, you can see here the rubber is there. Clearing font means you can collect idu madidralla font color ella remove ಮಾಡಿ normal text ಯಾವ ತರ ಇತ್ತು ಆ ತರ text ಬರುತ್ತೆ. This is what the next point, that is clear font. Then bold means you seen bold, to make the words bold. Then italic means italic style. Then underline means you can underline the letters. Then strike through in the sense on the letters it is striked. Okay, then subscript and superscripts, you can see here the subscript and superscript script. Okay, how to write you can see here, I written here x. Okay, you have to write the x square, means you have to select here the superscript. Okay, means x square. Okay, after this remove the superscript. Then x to the base 2. How to write the x to the base 2 means you have to subscript. Okay, subscript you have to press, then you can type x2 means down it came. Okay, after that you have to remove this. This is what the subscript and superscript. Then after that text effects is there. You can see here effects, so many effects they are given. You can change the style. Okay, you can change the style, and text style is there. Here also text style is there, and here the change style also is there. You can change the style and color, and style color anything you can take. Okay, after that the text highlighter means in you are using the highlighter means if you want this this one you have to highlight, you have to press highlighter. Sorry, color you have to check. Okay, see here highlighter means highlighted, that is highlighted. Okay, then after that, then bold, highlighted, all thing colors you change. Then change case, after case to lower case you done. Sentence case is also done. Uppercase, lower case, capitalizing each word, toggle views, toggle case. Okay, we seen here in this one the toggle case, uppercase, lower case. Okay, here you can see here all the cases are there. Sentence case, uppercase, lower case, then capitalizing each word, toggle case. Okay, this is come in changing the case of the texts. Then after this we will move to paragraphs. Okay, how while entering the text in a document you need to know how to modify the specific spacing between lines of the text and paragraphs for better readability. The line spacing adds extra space between the lines of text in paragraphs. Okay, while paragraph spacing adds extra spacing between paragraphs, heading or subheadings. Okay, the spacing will be removed. Then you can see here how to remove the spacing they given here. Select this. Okay, this spacing. Okay, how much space you needed for lines, you can change that. Okay, you can see here the changes will be happening in the screen. Okay, by selecting the size space between the two lines. Okay, this is what the first changing the between two space. Then if you want to manage the sizes by your own, means you can see here how it should be the spacing and all. You have to go to here and you have to press on same thing and add space before and line spacing options. You have to press here and you can change the how should be the paragraph should be. Before find how much and after find how much you can change. And line spacing, how much line spacing you want you can change. Okay, then line page breaks if you want you can change, and press OK, it will be applied for your selected text. You can see here. Okay, this is what the next one, that is paragraphs. Then add lists. Okay, or add lists, you can see here. Okay, if you add list means if you are putting a names, list of number of lists you are putting, you can give the bullets and points. Okay, for that you can change this. Okay, select to this one, then put the bullets and numbering. You can see here. Whichever bullet you want, you can take that. Okay, press on that, it will be applied. Okay, this also you can apply bullets. Okay, like this, applied here bullets. Okay, this is what the creating a bullet list. Okay, then create a number list. Number list means after that bullets, the number list is there. You can check, you can take the any one number list. You can want how in Roman form, ABC, or 1 2 3. Okay, in which format you want, you can take. Okay, this is what the putting the numbers, creating a number list in a MS Word. Okay, aligning text and indenting paragraph. How to align the text and indenting. Indenting means you can see here, left is there, means left alignment, then center alignment, right alignment, and justify. Okay, you can see here so many text you written. Okay, you can take one file. I will take. Okay, this file I taken for example. Okay, if you press here, you can see this is a left alignment. Okay, first select this is a left alignment. If you select this one and press here, it will be aligned, left aligned already. Then this is center alignment. Okay, you see here. Then this is right alignment, and this is last one, that is justify. Okay, justify alignment. Okay, this is what the aligning the text in the indenting paragraphs. Okay, aligning text in aligning options. These are the aligning options you seen right now. These are the aligning options. You can see here aligning options. These are the 4 aligning options. Then after that the indentation in icon and description. What is meant by indentation? Increase, decrease. So indentation is there, you can see there. Indentation you can see here. If you press on here, indentation left, this is decrease indent, decrease, then increase indent, it is increasing, means here to here, that is shifted. This is what the indentation, then description, and we done the practical also. Line spacing, bullet list. Okay, you can see here indentation in paragraphs you done. Okay, alignment you done, like in a previous how you done in practical, you can see. So this is the next that is MS Word advanced feature, I think, formatting with the MS Word. How to format the MS Word document. This is your 5th chapter, and go through the video first. Okay, go through the video first, and then with textbook you sit and read the textbook twice. Okay, read the chapter twice, and if you have a computers, laptops, you practice the word. Okay, whatever I told, go one by one serially you can do and practice that one. You understand the topic better, and after reading and understanding, you can go to exercise, solve the exercise and send me in 2 days. You only have to send the exercise solved one and send to me. Okay, thank you.